this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a lovely bed liner, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front, with running boards on each side, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. Moving to the front here, we do get a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage. Got some outlets back here, rear vents, 120 volt, and we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 26 kilometers. We got this leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking here, we have our gear select that is collapsible with tons of storage, wireless charging pad, outlets, cup holders. You do get your interior work surface. That's perfect paperwork, laptops, food, totally up to you. Storage below as well. You have your drive modes with rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate. Got some outlets on the side here as well, upper and lower storage. Storage on the dash with our features for our rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Looking here, we have our park sensing that we can turn on or off. We have our hazards, traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE28400, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.